Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on how to fix online. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix login problems with Hoyts account. If you are having trouble logging into your account, here are some fixes you can try. The first thing to do is to check that you have a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Then try logging in again. Also make sure that you are typing your information correctly. The second step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data in your browser can cause login issues. To do this, open your browser and click on the three dots at the bottom right corner. Then find the History button. After clicking on the History button, you can find the Delete Browsing Data button. Click on it, then select the time range as all time. Now click on Delete Browsing Data and confirm it once again. After that, your browser cache and cookies will be cleared. Then simply try logging in again. You can also try updating your browser. Open your App Store or Play Store and search for your browser. Check if there are any updates available for the application. You will see an update button. Tap on it to download the latest version of it. If the issue still persists, try accessing the login page using a different web browser or device. I hope these fixes helped you to get logged into your account. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, reach out to the Hoyts customer support for assistance. They may be able to provide further troubleshooting steps and help you solve your problem. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.